Hello, this video will address search functionality within Persephone. When you first launch the software, you'll see that there is a search button here. If you select that search button, it will provide a variety of different searching functionality. So you can search by markers if you know a marker name. For example, you can select PHP, and all of these different search boxes allow you to use wildcards. So now if I search for PHP within the system, I get all markers within the system that have this PHP as part of the name. You can continue to refine that and to filter that down to a more reasonable set. So for example, if you're only interested in the ones in corn, you can select that, and now we have 104 results. Or you can select only physical maps, and that again will then reduce the number as well. Once to find the markers that you're interested in, you can select those, you can look at the markers, or you can actually, if you select a single marker, you can display the map and close. For example, so every time you select something within the system, you can select it and it will zoom into the location in the map that you've just selected. In addition, you can search for genes. A more common way of doing that is by gene name or by gene function. So we'll do gene function as a quick example. So for example, if I was looking for pepsin A genes, and this would be across all the different species, I could do that, or I could search for pepsin A within ZMAs. This will provide a list of the different genes and locations that are pepsin A and some additional information about them that you can click on by looking at this page. You also get a visualization of where these are located across the genome, and once again, once you make your selection, you can move that selection into the chromosome view into the zoomed in region. You can also search for QTLs. So for example, I have drought here already, and once again, you can use a wildcard. And so we'll search across the entire database, Persephone application for this. And you'll see here we come up with rice, and we come up with ZMAs. And once again, you can do some additional filtering, or you can just select the one that you're interested in, let's say this one, and we'll now display that map and close. And so now it brings up the drought QTL that you've just selected, highlighted here in green, and it shows you that this is actually within a gene, and you can then of course click on that gene as normal. And then also on this page you can search by maps, and normally we would do that by also wildcards. So I usually use map set name accession. And so for example, if you wanted to know what you had in the system for corn, you could search corn wildcard, and you'll see that there's corn annotations, and there's also this ref gene version 2, and then we also have corn scaffolds within the system. If you wanted to look at map names, for example, you could use chromosome 1. If you just wanted to see all the different organisms that we had loaded with chromosome 1, this would give you a list of all of those with the map name chromosome 1 somewhere within this set of data. So once again, fairly easy, simple way to search for a variety of different feature types within the system. So I hope that helps you to kind of get started on searching quickly. Thank you.